The winemaker for the project is Joey Tensley, and you know how much I love his wines. His Syrah, is one of my favorites ever. Welcome back to Drinking It In. Today we are tasting a really exciting and unique wine. This is a Valdiguie from Paso, Robles. This is not just any wine, right? It is from the French Camp Vineyard. The winemaker for the project is Joey Tensley, and you know how much I love his wines. His Syrah, is one of my favorites ever. So this project is a really cool combination of factors. First, the grape, Valdiguie. This grape is native to France, right? It's in the Languedoc-Roussillon is where it typically grows. And somebody was crazy enough to plant it in the French Camp Vineyard in Paso, Robles. So French Camp Vineyard is an important vineyard to note because it's owned by the same folks who farm the Bien Nacido vineyard, which is something you probably see on labels quite a bit. The French Camp Vineyard is really well suited for the grape because of the massive diurnal shifts. Diurnal shifts are the difference in the temperature from daytime to nighttime, and in this area, these things can be 50 degrees at times. And what that does is it keeps the acidity high in the grapes and also allows the grapes to ripen nicely. So this is a 2022. Let's give it a taste. I mean, this is my first Valdiguie wine. These wines are often compared to Beaujolais, Zinfandel, maybe even a Pinot Noir. This wine already, right off the bat, has great aromas. Blackberries, plums, very plummy. Interesting, there's almost something caramelly about it. You can see, like from the color, it's very, very light, very light. So the profile of like the Beaujolais and the Pinot Noir grapes, that does hold true. Let me give you a better visual on the bottle. Optik French Camp Vineyard 2022 Valdiguie. So this is a collaboration between the Miller's family French Camp Vineyard and winemaker Joey Tensley. Optik illustrates how venerated terroir can be both uniquely and masterfully interpreted when viewed through a visionary's lens. That's a lot of marketing gobbledygook, but let's taste the wine and see. It's truly worth all the hype. Yeah, there's almost like a dill note, an herbal dill quality coming through. So very plums. I can argue some cherries. I'll argue some dill, and there was a little caramel in there. This is a beautiful, beautiful smelling wine. I apologize. My air conditioner just came on, and with my new phone, I can hear it in the background, and it's going to piss me off that it's on this tape. But I just chose a bad time to record this. But we're pushing forward. Man, this thing is good. This thing smells great. There's almost like something a little minty to this. This is tart and tangy, minty. On the palate, it comes across more in like a cranberry raspberry family. So we smell like plums, caramel, dill. Oh, dill's coming through a little bit. And what else did I say? I forget. But on the palate, this is cranberry and raspberry, very bright, tart and tangy red fruit. This is fun. And I could see this. This is a great wine for the summer, right? Because it's light on your palate. It's not going to overwhelm you. It's not going to weigh you down. This is 13.6% alcohol, so not. I could see this one sneaking up on you. It's not a light wine, but it is light on its feet. So, I mean, I don't know this. I got this through Wine Spies. This was one of the sort of their. It's just some of those unique finds. It's one of those things that they just found and put it out there. I grabbed it. I'm glad I did. I'm kind of disappointed I only got one bottle, but this is a winner. So if you happen to run into it, or if you happen to see any sort of funny, funky new grapes that are being grown in California and Paso Robles, worth taking a chance on. I will see you guys soon. Thanks so much for joining. Cheers. There's a little something in there. You can still cheers with that. Hey, if you'd like more wine videos, wine knowledge, how to find values, and how to stock your cellar at home, then hit that subscribe button. It really would mean a lot to me. And we'd love to have you aboard.